you as a data analyst, you can literally describe your whole business, like how you understand, and then paste in all your SQL and everything, and you can just have it right in whatever SQL you ask it to, or propose any other tables and other solutions for whatever you give it at hand. So you can use it like ChatGPT in that way, or you can use like tools like VS Code, for example. If you use VS Code, and there's this extension from GitHub, the GitHub Copilot, that provides you that autocomplete driven by AI. So as you're writing your code, the autocompletion is not just like a dumb autocompletion, that just that autocompletion that you would get regularly, but it can use AI to figure out what you need to write there. But on this asking of to do stuff, it's better than GitHub Copilot today in a way that it will do a bunch of things. It will try a lot of things. So if you ask it to write a SQL and run against a Postgres, it will try to do that. If it fails, it will reason about it again and try it in a different way, or maybe look at this file that has an example of a query that needs to be run. And so GitHub Copilot usually will just like try it once and then whatever. So this client is like a lot more, it will try better. And it can write these tools, right? So first we can talk to this AI. Okay, cool. So now this AI have the access to invoke this tool, which is like asking it something to do something. So for example, you can have the AI ask your machine to do something.
When you say machine, what do you mean by machine?
Your computer.
Okay.
Right? So you can literally have the AI make an API call back to your like little local computer to do something. Like meaning create a file somewhere or send a message to something. So now it has side effects. So it's not only can request a response, it can give you a response to whatever you're asking. It can act on something, it can trigger something that has real like side effect. It does something real, like running a command on your computer. I can literally transfer a Bitcoin, I it could, right? It could execute transactions. It could trade Bitcoin on your behalf. Like, it can do whatever. So what you can do is like you can program, you can have like this chat, and this chat is invoking a bunch of functions in your computer. For example, running a bunch of SQL, or writing this log, or reading this log, or grabbing this code, or doing something, or inspecting this git commit. So people are trying nowadays to develop developer autonomous agents and autonomous systems that will do all sorts of actions.